Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sign up for Digilocker. First, navigate to the official Digilocker website or download the convenient mobile application from your App Store. Once there, locate and click the Sign Up button to initiate your registration. You will then be prompted to enter your 10-digit mobile number. This step is crucial as an OTP, or one-time password, will be sent to this number for verification purposes, ensuring your account's security. Next, you will need to provide your 12-digit Aadhaar number. This is a fundamental step for identity verification within the Digilocker system. Following this, you'll create a 6-digit security PIN. This PIN acts as an additional layer of security, protecting your digital documents. Finally, establish a unique username and a strong password. Remember these credentials, as they will be essential for logging into your Digilocker account in the future. Once your account is set up, linking your Aadhaar number allows Digilocker to automatically fetch various government-issued documents directly into your account. This includes items like your driving license or vehicle registration. You can also manually upload personal documents, such as educational certificates, insurance policies, or other important papers. With Digilocker, you gain the convenience of accessing all your digital documents securely, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week from any location. Digilocker offers numerous benefits, primarily providing secure storage for all your vital digital documents. This platform significantly reduces the reliance on physical documents, actively promoting a paperless environment for various transactions. Furthermore, you can easily share verified digital documents electronically with authorized entities, streamlining processes like applying for services or verifying identity. Your data is protected with robust security measures, ensuring peace of mind for all users.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.